Welcome to the ET380 Transistor Amplifier Lab. We're going to build it in Multisim. Here's our Class A transistor amplifier circuit, and let's build it in Multisim. Okay, I'm in Multisim. Let's go ahead and grab some components. First thing, let's grab a transistor. Going to go to transistors. It is a NPN bipolar junction. 3904, and that looks like the right orientation, so we need a bunch of resistors. Let's go to basic resistor, oops, and we got one. We got a 1K, we need a 3K, and we need a 7K, and we need a 250 and a 750. Let's grab the 750. It should pop up first. And 250. And we need a 2K. And that looks good for now. Let's go to capacitors. So we're going to need a 2.2. And he's going to go in that direction. We're just going to leave him that way. And I need a 210s. Good, and we're going to need a power. Let's go to sources, power sources, ground. We just copy and paste a bunch of those in a bit. And we need VCC. And I need a signal generator. We're going to do it AC. Good. Alrighty. Okay, we have our components. Let's go ahead and build. So we got a 250. We have a 750. We have a 2K somewhere. Anyway, we got a 7K. And a 3K. Here's our output. And we have a 1K. There's our 2K, our 1K output. And we're going to have our swapping capacitor. Let's rotate this guy 90. He's going to be our input. Function generator, our power, and I'm going to copy and paste a bunch of grounds here. Yeah, that'll get us started. Okay, so we got a ground on our divider bias, and he didn't want to connect. There we go. Connect. Good. Let's get this down. Let's borrow that ground again. Okay, let's go ahead and make our VCC 15. And our function generator, we're going to make him a half, so we get a 1 volt input, peak to peak. And 1 kilohertz is good. And it looks good. I'll go ahead and double check it here. Okay, here is our class AB transistor amplifier. As you remember from ET302, that we add 2 diodes in order to convert a class B amplifier into a class AB in order to eliminate or reduce the crossover distortion. Okay, here we are at Multisim. Let's build our class AB. So we're going to need a transistor. And wow, we need a 3904, just happens to be there, and we need a we need to go to PMPs and get a 3906. And let's see, are those in the right? No, we need to flip this guy. Let's try vertical. Perfect. Yes. Okay, so we're going to need some 2.2 resistors. Let's go to resistors. 2.2. I need 2 of those. And I'm going to need to rotate those, so I'm going to put them up here. And let's see here, I need a 27. Yeah, that's it. Let's get a 27. Good. And he needs to be rotated also, so I'm going to put him right up here. And we need some diodes. And we're just going to use a switching diode. Need 2 of those. They're also going to need to be rotated, so let's go ahead and actually going to be rotated in different directions. I'll move that later. And we need a bunch of 10 microfarad capacitors. And those are going to be rotated too. And we need a 470. I zoomed right past it. 470 micro. Good. Let's rotate these guys. Oh, we need some power. So let's go to sources, power sources, VCC, and ground. I'm just going to go ahead and throw in a bunch of them over here. Okay, let's rotate this batch right here. Let's try again. Right click, rotate 90. There we go. Okay, let's assemble this. Let's go ahead and take our transistors and connect them together. Take our output. And we got a 2.2 on top of our diode. Let's rotate him 90. Take our other 2.2, rotate him 90. Put him back where he belongs. And let's put a ground here. And a ground here. Take our 27, he needs a rotate 90. Rearrange them just a smidge. And let's see if I get this. Whoops. Okie dokie. I could clean that up here offline. Let's go ahead and let's insert we forgot our single generator, AC. Borrow a ground. And let me do a quick once over before I turn off here. 470 in between there. Perfect. I'll clean this up and we'll go ahead and fire it up.